Envy Wigs has expanded their new shadow colors to lots of popular styles. We're going to check out one of those styles today. This one is called Bobby in the color Silky Beige. We're going to get all the details on this style and color coming up. Envy Bobby has a real wow factor. All of this glamorous, lush, long layers. Just the right amount of volume and some beautiful cap features. This wig was sent to me by Envy in cooperation with Wig Studio One. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below the video, expand the description box. You'll locate a product link there labeled Envy Bobby. If you click on the link, it'll take you out to the site where you can see all of the colors and the pricing. Envy is always a 30% off at checkout at Wig Studio One. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com, and don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Just took this wig out of the box. I gave it a little gentle shake and I found a parting space. Now, this one was parted pretty much right down the center, and I feel like that works so well because it has a 7-inch fringe. I love, you know me, and I've said this before, anytime there is a 6-7-inch fringe on a long style, it makes it so flattering and so wearable, and you're definitely going to find that here with Bobby. Overall, it's about 18 inches. It weighs just under 5 ounces. And the cap features are really a nice touch on this style. You're going to see an extended lace front and full monofilament top with open wefted sides and back. I'll give you a look at the inside of the cap here in just a moment. It has a lush density, and when I say lush, I mean full body, full on, medium to thick density, which gives it that full body kind of glam, envious, glamorous. I have to say that Bobby is really special. I didn't realize there are so many beautiful Envy styles out there that I have not explored, and I'm sort of blown away by this one. It is just gorgeous. So again, that 7-inch fringe and all of this kind of flirty wave just really sets this style, doesn't it? I just want to keep tossing it around. But it's time to talk about this color, Silky Beige. I love this more or less platinum blend here. So you're going to see a lot of that platinum that really makes it really light and bright. But then you have a lot of ash blonde in there too. This is definitely a cool tone color. And all of that on a medium to dark root there. There's still quite a bit of dimension. If you like colors like Palm Springs Blonde by John Renault, I think you will go crazy for this one. It is just gorgeous. So we're so happy to see that they've expanded these color options to more and more of their styles. So you have a lace front that does run back into the ear tab on both sides, a nicely obscured seam there. And then definitely that full monofilament top is going to give you the illusion of scalp no matter how you want to part it on the top there. And I'll show you an inside look at this cap here in just a moment. But first, let me do a spin for you, both indoor and outdoor light. And we'll also do a little bit of styling. Inside look at the cap for Envy's Bobby. There's that extended lace front. It goes about halfway back through the ear tab. You'll notice the scallop design on that lace front. It's completely sheer against the skin. There's a very small seam leading to the full monofilament top, definitely getting the illusion of scalp. A nice velvet ear tab, just a regular standard nape with the pull strap type adjusters. Lots of wefting. I feel like this is a completely average cap size. I did have to pull in the adjusters a little bit to accommodate my petite average circumference.